up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I am Mara Bear, and if you guys seen my last video, I'm standing here in the hat and the wig, and it's looking dusty, rusty, so I'm about to do my hair. And today I will be doing a sew-in with a frontal, and excuse my nails. I am in the process of doing my nails for the first time on myself, and when I tell you I'm proud of myself and how these look, I can always go to my other hand, but it was getting late and I wanted to do my hair, so one hand just got done. So we're gonna do that later, but I will have that video out soon. So we finna get to this because I'm ready to get this started because I'm finna be looking so cute. So take this off as before. I have before we're gonna use this wig cap, and dang it, gotta go get the gloves. Be right back because gotta go get something. Okay, I am back with my Queen Latifah Set It Off braids. God, man. Ooh, hey, itchy. Okay, what I need to do. Got to be glue. So I'm gonna put the got to be glue on the hairline. Not on the hairline, but to push the hair back. Lord, it look like I should have bought some more of this because this is about gone. So I'm going to finish applying the Got to Be Glued along my hairline, pushing my hair back and getting it off my forehead skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some alcohol, get the residue that Got to Be Glued off, put my cap on, and cut them ear holes through. And then sprayed it with, I don't know the name of that spray, but I replaced it for my Got to Be Glued because I could not find that. And then went ahead and sewed the cap down halfway back from my hairline and through the back, and then cut that off from my hairline, and it worked pretty good for it not to be that it got to be glued, even though my hairline looks real light skin. Then I made sure that my frontal lined up real good, and then applied that 2 layers of glue, and then stuck that on there. I'm back. So that on. Now it's time for the bundles. Y'all, excuse me for just being so excited for this hair. Pause. Let's talk about this hair. Once again, I got it from All Virgin Hair in Tucker, Georgia. On the left picture is how it came wrapped all up, and on the right picture is it out the package, and then here it is moving. You can see how bouncy it is. Yes. This is before the wash, and you can see how cloudy and dirty the water was. I will suggest that you wash your hair before you install it because you don't know what has been through in the factories. This is hanging up drying. Start with the 30, and I'm gonna do one track from here all the way around. And then from there, I'm just gonna do them side to side. So, do that one more time. Make sure it's right. Here to here. Okay, when I cut, I'll make sure I move it all out the way. Cut right be back. Okay, I'm back. I got the first little back track sewed in around the bottom. And now I'm gonna go lay the rest of these things so I can be done because I'm ready to go to sleep. What is up, you guys? I am back and I am done and I am loving it. Like, I haven't had bundles in forever, so I just don't even know how to act right now. Just feeling myself off the show back. So this took me, I think, 2 hours to install because I watched the episode of P-Valley and I watched like half a movie. So I'm guessing estimated to around 2 hours. But I combed it out and nothing came out. Good half of that. Not even one strand. And I did cut one track in the back and nothing from that. And it's just glorious. I am going to flat iron it, but then again, it looks cute like this. I might just leave it like this. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and